On December 6, 2020, the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched from Cape Canaveral carrying cargo that was developed right here in Pasco County schools. A unique science experiment created by a team of Wendell Krinn Technical High School students endured judging, formal review, and selection by the Student Spaceflight Experiments program to earn cargo space. The Pasco Education Foundation helped fund this Mission 14 program with support from the School District Education Foundation Matching Grant Program, Suncoast Credit Union, and Catalina Marketing. After projects and proposals were presented by students from Calusa Elementary School, Sanders Elementary School, Centennial Middle School, Hudson High School, and Wendell Krinn, this team was selected to represent Pasco County.
With gloves on their hands.
We're just gonna spread this amoxicillin.
And a burning question on their minds.
You expel it.
These students are looking up, way up, for answers.
This is what we send up to space.
Shelley Nonnenberg, Amanda Marrero, and Emily Knoll, biomedical sciences students at Wendell Krinn Tech in Newport Richey, were chosen out of more than 29,000 students from the U.S., Canada, and Brazil to have their experiment tested on the International Space Station.
And I ran out of the hallway and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it.
They want to know what effect, if any, microgravity has on the effectiveness of amoxicillin in killing bacteria that causes staph infections.
Because astronauts are really susceptible to this type of bacteria. It's on surfaces in your nose, in your body.
The astronauts will run the experiment up in space.
So they open one of the clamps and the bacteria will rehydrate in the broth, and then we have amoxicillin and another clamp.
While students carry out an identical experiment on Earth.
We are assuming that the microgravity will not affect how it grows. We're assuming that the bacteria will still not grow, the antibiotic will still kill it.
It took a lot of time, research, trial and error.
We put our faith, our mind, body, and soul into this project.
To be among 34 projects out of nearly 4,000 submissions selected for this year's Student Spaceflight Experiments program.
3, 2, 1.
Mission 13 last July brought 41 student experiments to the ISS. Mission 14 launches via SpaceX late summer.
This is probably the best thing in my teaching career that has happened. It's incredible to see students work so hard.
The sky's not always the limit. These young women prove it.
There's a big dream, and it's surreal. I don't think it's settled for any of us that we actually made it this far.
Another part of Mission 14 included a patch design contest. The two chosen from Pasco were created by students from Bayonet Point Middle School and Wendell Krinn Technical High School. This artwork was also on the SpaceX rocket and will return to Earth with a stamp indicating that it had taken the journey into space. The Pasco Education Foundation would like to thank our partners for helping us provide for this unique once-in-a-lifetime experience for our students.
Thank you, Pasco Education